आमिर सर, मैंने आपकी फ़िल्मोग्राफ़ी देखी है तो ज़्यादातर उसमें थॉट ड्रिवन जो फ़िल्म्स होती है वो आती है ना? और लेकिन आपका एक और साइड है जो ऐसी फ़िल्म्स भी प्रोड्यूस करता है जो प्रेज़ेंट में रहती है और ह्यूमर डिलीवर करती है। सो मैंने तो एक आपकी सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार देखी थी, तो मैंने बोला यार इसमें तो थॉट है भी। लेकिन जो आपकी एक और फ़िल्म्स है, जो डेली बेली हो गई या हैप्पी पटेल हो गई, तो ये दूसरा साइड है और वहाँ पे उस पॉइंट पे मैं प्रेज़ेंट में हूँ और मैं लिटरली कोई भी कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस झेलने को रेडी हूँ। तो इसमें मेरे को दूर-दूर तक गोल का ख़्याल नहीं आता है। तो सर इस फ़िल्म जो आप ये ऐसी फ़िल्म जब आप बनाते हो, प्रोड्यूस करते हो, तो उस टाइम पे ये आपके दिमाग में कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट होता है या इसका प्रोसेस क्या होता है?
नहीं, जब मैंने डेली बेली प्रोड्यूस की तो मुझे स्क्रिप्ट बहुत पसंद आई एक्चुअली. इट इज़ अ वेरी इरेवरेंट फिल्म एंड इट्स नॉट गॉट एनी मैसेज. जैसे कि हम लोग, व्हाट इज आवर टेक अवे? मारी छोरी छोरी छोरियों से कम है के, दंगल, लगान, ऑल ऑफ दीज हैव टेक अवेज. डेली बेली हैज नो टेक अवे. डेली बेलीज टेक अवे इज shit happens. That's it. That's the takeaway. So uh, I found the script really humorous. It had me in splits. The goal which you're talking about is there in the film. Within the film, the plot has a goal. Because वो mix up हो जाता है diamonds और shit. तो वहाँ से पूरा प्रॉब्लम शुरू होता है. तो प्लॉट और उसका गोल, फिल्म का गोल सही है. बट आई हैव एक्चुअली प्रोड्यूस्ड इट बिकॉज आई हैव लव्ड इट. As an audience, when I'm reading the script, it just connects with me. Or for that matter, Happy Patel. I found Happy Patel really funny. Now, I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. it's Some people will just wonder why this film was even made. It's a very odd kind of niche film. But it excited me, so I wanted to, make it. That's the only answer I have. What excites me, I end up making. मेरा एक ही लॉजिक है, मुझे अच्छा लगा तो मैं करता हूँ. बिकॉज अदरवाइज एज एन प्रोड्यूसर आई एम थिंकिंग कि और लोगों को क्या, ऑडियंस को क्या अच्छा लगेगा, वो मुझे नहीं पता. और मुझे आज तक पता नहीं चला कि ऑडियंस को क्या अच्छा लगेगा. या
Good evening, sir. I'm Tanya Kakwani from Filmmaking First Year.
या
And my question was for like young filmmakers like us, what is the right way to approach you for mentorship or collaboration? And what do you look in us producers or directors before collaborating or mentoring
With me?
us? Yes, sir.
Actually, I've thought about this for quite a while. I've had 2-3 thoughts. So in the middle, I used to keep 2 interns. At any given point, I had 2 interns with me, and they used to stay with me for 2 years, and then they used to move on. So that, irrespective of, I mean, once 2 years is over, I'm imagining that they could have gathered whatever they want to from me. तो मैं पहले ये करता था, अब थोड़ा मेरा कम हो गया. But it's not a bad idea actually, because I noticed this when I was I was at Breach Candy, and Dr. Udvadia came in. He's a very senior doctor, Udvadia, and he came in and he had some 8 young doctors with him who were interning with him. They were all doctors, by the way. And then I realized that basically what they're doing is that just by hanging out with him, they are following or understanding how his brain works, how he's not telling them anything. He's doing his thing. Those 8 people are there to assist him and watch what he's doing, basically. So from there, I got this idea that whatever I have learned, I have not learned from any official school, or it's not formal training. The only way I can give it back is in this informal way. I have 2-3 people with me who just take what they want from me, and for that matter, contribute to my life. Then at one point, I thought maybe I should increase that number to 10. Then I thought, 10 लोगों के साथ मैं घूमता रहूंगा तो फिर काम कैसे होगा?
That'll be a different kind of entourage.
Yeah, so I'm still in that phase where I'm wondering what to do. But I do want to, at some point start a film school. But for me, film school is not go off somewhere and, I would like to start a film school where there are 10 students with me who are making the film with me. while we are making the film, we are learning. You know, that's how I would like to do it.